I'm gonna catch one. Hopefully it doesn't like.
What does that mean?
Like. Nope, nope, nope.
They're running away from you. They're like, oh, okay, she's leaving.
I'm trying to trick them.
It worked. They believed you. Came back out. But they're watching you.
They like my dance. I'm gonna leave.
I don't know. They're like ready. That's it. They're like, okay, we can chill. Oh, she's a cheater. You're gonna mess everything up. Thanks.
I'll go this way. What? How did it happen?
You didn't close it.
That helps you be good. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, ducks, you're not going away there.
She's mean. Don't close it. They can't open the door anyway. Don't lock it. It's okay. They can't open it. You're like a foxy. Don't creep them out.
Can I just run and
I don't know. Can you?
get 3, 2, 1?
I think if you run, they're gonna run too. Don't scare them. They're confused.
This is ours. Go
Yep,
down.
that's the one that mommy hatched out of the egg.
Don't even try to cut. Help me, please.
They're in the corner. Go ahead.
No, they're gonna run away if I do this.
But don't do that. Just go right for them.
Which one I go? Did I go here? You're gonna go here. Okay. Can we catch one?
Okay, there's 5 of them. Just pick one.
Try it. Okay, I'm picking the black one.
They're all in one corner.
The one that I needed. Come here.
So, are you gonna catch one or what? Don't say that. We gotta change the water. Just take one. Just take one. It doesn't matter which one. Just grab one.
No, they're gonna.
If you just come up and take one, it's not gonna grab you. Just one. Like, как я тебя учила курочку брать? Вот так и ее. okay. It's okay. Go ahead. It's okay. This is like ice skate. Just take one. Oh my god. You are so mean. Stop terrorizing them.
I'm gonna pick ours.
Good luck.
Don't. Don't even hit.
Just leave them alone.
No.
Yes, because now you're terrorizing them. Все, перестань мучить их, перестань. Или возьми одного, или не все, оставь.
Okay, go there, go there.
Последний attempt. This is your last try. It's okay.
Don't kiss me. Don't kiss me.
Get him. It doesn't matter which corner, just go get it.
Go here, go here, go here. Okay, fine. Stay in this corner. Stay in this corner, I said.
Yeah, why don't you tell him to just get in your hands?
Get in your game.
What?
Good duck, good duck. I need that one.
Just take one. Давай. Так. Держи только, крепко держи. Hold it. Hold it. That's it, you got it! Woohoo! You finally got it! Woohoo!
That was right there.
I don't think they're excited about it. He likes it though, look at that. He's chilling. I think they're upset that it's not them.
Okay, I'll get you later.
So pretty.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna get one again. You can take his clothes.
Don't shake him.
Don't.
So pretty.
He wants to chill in my arm.
Cuckoo.
Oh
Smile.
my gosh, why is this so heavy?
Smile. Smile. Why is it so heavy? Because it's a big duck. Ew.
What do you mean? No, I just catch him.
Ew, look at the water he was swimming in. And you're kissing it. Or her, I don't know. I think they want to be picked up too.
Okay, I'll pick you.
That's it, enough. Let's go.
Wait.
He wants to go.
No, he likes me.
You okay?
Ouch. There you go.